Automatic powder can packaging machine line. Round accumulation table, it can accommodate a large number of cans at a time. Linear double head screw with quantitative protein powder filling machine. Straight double head filling, main filling and refilling to ensure high precision filling. Servo and pneumatic system control the can hold and horizontal can runs. The positioning is accurate and the speed is fast. The machine is applicable for filling of various kinds of powder such milk powder, coffee powder, protein powder. Automatic dual head plastic jar screw capping machine. This machine with automatic lid feeding device. High degree of automation. Electromagnetic aluminum foil induction. Heat sealing machine. Automatic round bottle labeling machine. Servo control, accurate positioning, more stable and safe operation. Automatic cap top labeling machine. Intelligent control, automatic photoelectric tracking, with no object and no labeling. Can sorting machine automatically collecting the cans of the packaging line.